khumbulani ngitheni, you are as good as your last break of structure. So mangakwazi ukubamba i-break of structure yakho kuyokusiza kakhulu ukuthi understand ukuthi imakethe ishona kuphi next, right? Before ngingena kakhulu, khumbula le video akusiyona ukukunikeza i-financial advice, kunalokho ihlomisa ngolwazi noma it's for educational purposes kuphela. Ake sibukeke lana sisebenzisa amakhandlela nje awu-150, tisibheke la amakhandlela awu-150 sengu-300 already, yabona. So ngizogcina nje la kuqala khona ugreen. So njengoba ngimuva ngiza la ngizothatha la makhandlela wama 150, nanti irula engibheke ngalo guys, okay? So bese ngiya stretcher ngikuphi, ngiku daily time frame, ngenza ini i-USD ZAR, yabo. So sengiya stretcher ke la. So njengoba ngi stretcher guys, ngifuna ukubona ini my last break of structure on the left, my last break of structure on the left before ngizo analyze yonke lento eyenzeka la. Uyabona lonto leyo. So at this point in time nginani, ngine break of structure la, ngine break of structure, and i-trend yami ithini, it's going down, all right? And then ngiphinde ngibe nani, nginayo futhi enye i-break of structure la, yabo, and i-trend yami ithini, is going down. So senginayo ke manje ini i-lightning yami, ngiqala la ngithi whoops, ngize ngizoma la, yabo. That is my danger move, khefar move, and this is my danger move. Yabona lonto leyo, I mean ingozi move, yabo. So musuyibhekisisa kahle lana nginani, danger, khefar, ingozi. Yabona lonto leyo. So now that I have my danger, khefar, ingozi, akusho ukuthi sengizo ignore yonke le history lela. Yabona lonto leyo. It's good to be mindful of that history, but ngifuna ini just my last break of structure. That's all that I need. Iyo into engiyidinga njengamanje. So yini ke sengizoyibheka ke la kuma last break of structures wami. So into engizoyidinga manje ngifuna ukubheka la kulelo ngibheke kule high, right? Ngibheke kule low, right? Bese ngiyobheka kuphi? Ngiyobheka na kule high. Nibonile yini ukuthi kwenzakaleni lana guys? Nibonile yini kwenzakaleni? Right? So sifikile la kule low. Yini esenze sama? Yini esenze sama? Kekube kuhle ukuchecka ukuthi imarket ayimanga nje out of nowhere noma emoyeni. So if you squeeze and you go back, then uzobona ukuthi oh lana bekunani, sasine break of structure. Angithi yabona lonto leyo. So le higher low le yayila sikuyo njengamanje la, sikuyo le higher low, and le higher low uzoyibona ukuthi nani ine fair value gap, yabo. Na ile fair value gap, yabo, nansi ne. So bese ngenze njani ke? Ngifuna ukuthatha manje le fair value gap bese ngimaka ulow waleli khandlela lobu straight ngaphezulu no low wekhandlela leli elingaphansi, bese ke ngiyasqueeze futhi. Ngenzelani ukusave ini isikhathi, ngiyasqueeze bese ngiyayidraga, then ngiyabona ukuthi la kahle kahle ngikuphi, ngikuyi demand zone, and lana ngifuna ukubheka imarket icreate ini lana, imarket ifike ya create ini i-buy zone, yabo. Mawungabheka there's a big bullish candlestick la, i-break ama-high engakule khandlela 1 2 3 yama-high wabreakile. So it's a big bullish candlestick ebisibonisa ngempela ukuthi this zone ama-bulls ane-interest kuyona, yabona lonto leyo. And then mayiqeda imarket yenze njani, ya consolidate, yabo. So njengoba imarket i-consolidator guys, then sekulula ngawe ukubona ukuthi eyiphi pattern ezoyenza. Ingabe imarket izokwenza u-W, ingabe imarket izokwenza u-M, kukuwena ukuthi ubona ini emarket, and then leyo nto uzoyitrader kanjani, because lama pattern abalulekile ukuthi uwa understand. Mina ke ngihlale ngisho bafowethu sihamba ngo MVW, athi yabona lonto leyo. So la kuma high, kuma low high, low high la yila esifuna ukubona khona ukuthi imarket esiyibone kanjani ukuthi izojika yehle ize phansi. Before ngiqeda la ngifuna wazi ukuthi njoba i-straight la i-1 hour time frame inama structures inside, okay? So ngifuna sibheke ke manje ukuthi akhona yena ama structures watholayo inside le lightning move yethu, okay? All right, asambe sobheka ke i1 hour time frame. So nansi I lightning yethu ke, the lightning sign angithi niyayibo yiyo le nansi ikhona. Right? So njoba nibhekile ibuya kuphi ku daily time frame. So obviously na ku internal structure guys sizolandela the same method, silandela indlela efanayo. Ngoba silana ngithi straight up between la nala. So njengoba siku internal structure siyawabona ama structures la emarket ebilibeli busy breaker khona ama structures in our internal in our smaller time frame, of which ilabe sizongena khona yabo. So ethini nginibonise lokhu ke manje ngendlela eqondile. So si trade up between this high and this low, right? So nakhona ke la ku smaller time frame sizofuna indlela efanayo, eyiphi indlela efanayo engikhuluma ngayo guys? Simple. Let's just mark our last break of structure. This was our last break of structure here, right? Then la ku 1 hour time frame njengoba singenile la ku demand zone nakhona sifuna our last break of structure. Iphi last break of structure yethu la ku 1 hour time frame yile. This is our last break of structure kuphi kwi 1 hour time frame. All right, so njengoba sengiyibonile my last break of structure ku 1 hour time frame, ethi nginibonise guys, iqale kule high le yeza kule low le, and then yasuka la kule low yeza kule high, then yasuka kule high lena yayise iza kule low. Angithi niyabona lo nto leyo. So njengoba sila kule low sine last break of structure ye 1 hour time frame inside ku daily time frame. So sesibheke ini sifuna ukubona I momentum ishifta ku smaller time frame iya kuphi, iya phezulu, ngoba si trader kuphi ku buy zone. Khumbula ke it can be a sell, it can be a buy. So asibhekeni ukuthi I 1 hour time frame isenzele ini le ebesingakhona ukuthi siyisebenzise as a buy. So mungabheka lana sibonile ukuthi siyafika sa create I morning star ku support, shuthi sesinani lana sine buy zone, sinikezwa yini yi 1 hour time frame. It's a first sign ukuthi okay, this market might change and go up. Okay, then sayibona imarket yenzani, I break above this high. Yabona this internal high here. Oh no, ihlulekile u break above, yabo, ihlulekile u break above. Did it? No, it didn't. Ihlulekile u break above, yabo. Then yenzani imarket yethu yahlonipha le zone le, yayiseyenzani ibuyela phansi. Yini eyenze ihloniphe le zone? Khumbula iqondene nani ne previous break of structure kuphi lapha ya ku 1 hour time frame. Yase iyajika imarket yethu ishona phansi. Mayibuya yathinta I buy zone, ya rejected twice, 1 2 ya reject. Then yasinikeza this mean monster bullish candlestick. Njobe isinikeza le bullish candlestick isivala above this high, the internal high. Yayibona lo nto leyo. Ishiya ini I fair value gap, enkulu I fair value gap. Yabo, sibuka ini, sibuka le high yale khandlela leli, sibuke nale low yale khandlela leli, nathi fair value gap. And then imarket yethu yenze njani guys? Yasinikeza another buy zone here with this monster candlestick, also the big one, this one, confirming ukuthi hayi manje bafethu mina sengikulungela ukuthi ngingaya phezulu, yabo. And imarket yethu yaqhubeka yeza phezulu, yazi ize yafika kuphi? Yafika kule external high ye 1 hour time frame, yabo. This was external high ye 1 hour time frame. So meaning that it trend lebe sibona ku 1 hour time frame isiphelile, akusesiyona I downtrend, because it's trader above ini I lower high yakuphi yaku 1 hour time frame. But this zone isitshela nje kuphela ukuthi I momentum isisukile ku downtrend ku smaller time frame, isiya kuphi ku uptrend. Kodwa sisa trader between the low and the high yani ye daily time frame. So nangempela ke sayibona imarket yaphusha yeza yazofika kuphi ku previous break of structure yani ye daily time frame, yabo. Yeza ku previous break of structure yani ye daily time frame. So sesinani manje? Sinalo high lo we daily time frame, naye still esesingaphusha siye kuyena. So yabona la mayifika imarket, first time failed, came back, second time ya breaker kancane yasiyabuya futhi iya retest, yabo. Then yasenze njani imarket ya consolidate mayisuka lapho yeza phezulu. Ake sibuke la ukwenzakaleni la kule consolidation, Okay, so yilokho ke manje ngifuna sikubheke kwenzakaleni la kule consolidation. Okay guys, all right. Ngifuna siqaphela ngithi ngiyabona njengoba sisuka la sizobreaka le extreme high leye 1 hour time frame, leye 1 hour time frame le ebisitshela ukuthi now i-bearish trend ku 1 hour time frame isathe ukuma kancane. Siqala manje ngani ngebullish, yabo, ngebullish trend ku 1 hour time frame. So ngifuna sibheke le move. I-move yethu guys iqala la kule low. This is internally because sa trade up between the high nale low. So la it's internally. I-low yethu ebalekile yile yaze yazobreaka i-structure then yaze yazofika la ku previous break of structure, right? So njengoba siyaphezulu guys kumele nibheke ukuthi imarket ishiya ini emove. So kunama stops, kunama potential stops ukuthi imarket mayizokwenza i-retest izofike ime khona. Akhona lama potential stops lawa guys. So ngifuna ukuthi niwazi, ngifuna uzicabange njengoba ukugibela imoto or uya driver imoto. Emgwaqeni kunama traffic light, kunama speed bumps, kunama stop sign, yabo. So imarket mangabe izobuya guys, it's either izoma kuma sell zone, yabo, yabona njengala here there was a sell, what is this? Oh, here there was a fair value gap here, right? So there was what? A fair value gap, and then there was a consolidation in this area la imarket emekon. So siyabona ukuthi ifike kuphi previous sell zone noma yafika yenze njani yase iya jika imarket iza phansi. Then kunama speed bumps la ngwabiza ngama supply and demand, yabona lonto leyo. So ngizokubekisela nje la uyabona here sinani sine rally base rally, uyabona lonto leyo, rally base rally and in a fair value gap. So uma ubheka la imarket masuthatha la le support le sihlanganise nale fair value gap, you will see ukuthi le zone le imarket ibuye izotesta in this demand and uyalibona ikhandlela la khona belilikhulu kanjani. Angithi yabona lonto leyo. And then nalana sinazi into ezithi drop base rally, drop base rally, yabona lonto leyo. Imarket iyakwazi ukubuya izo retesta izinto ezifana kanje. Angithi yabona lonto leyo. So remember lawo ma stops lawo la ma speed bumps la ukuthi yes akhona emarket. Wena mawuwa understand kuzoba lula ngawo ukubona ukuthi imarket imiswa yini la. Uma uthola i-reversal sign kuzoba lula ngawo ukubona ukuthi oh le reversal ikhoswa because imarket ila. Then sibe nama fair value gap guys, as ngimentionile lana ku fair value gap ingene straight la imarket ku fair value gap yajika yeza phezulu, nala yangena ku fair value gap yajika yeza phezulu, yabona lonto leyo. So into eyenzakalayo ngemarket iyazikhethela ama stops ezomakona. That is why ngikutshela ngawo lama stops. Khumbula wena umshayeli wemoto, irobot malithi yima uyama. Uma ispeed hump sithi yehlisa ispeed uzokwehlisa. Uma ufika ku stop sign kungenzeka wenze njani ume. Futhi ayinothi kungenzeka kumele ume before uzothatha i-decision. So kanjalo ke nemarket injalo. Ama sell zone, ama buy zone, stop, wait for a confirmation. Demand zone, supply zone, wait for confirmation. Fair value gaps, wait for confirmation. You only move uma uthola ini green light. So because between this low nale high, market came back, even joy in market la kule rally base rally le sinani sine buy zone that was confirmed here, yabona la, that was confirmed nangaleli khandlela leli, this these two candlesticks, because law uvale above this green candle, then es confirmela in buy zone kule ya pull back. Then look at this, uyabona imarket ukuthi be strong kangakanani, yabona imarket be strong kangakanani. So all these were your opportunities to make what? To take your buys in this market. Was the opportunity ukuthi wenzani uthathe ama buys. Kungani ngisho kanjalo guys? Because besikuphi between this high and this low, and esiqede ukubreaka kuphi above this lower high, yokugcina kuphi kwi downtrend kuphi kwi 1 hour time frame. Sitargeta ini, sitargeta the previous high kuphi in a daily time frame, and ekugcineni sibonile imarket yethu ifikile ku previous high ya ku daily time frame. Mayiqeda yenze njani? Yasibreaka i-structure sethu. Ayithi yabona la yasibreak. So now sizobonisa nge downtrend manje ngenza ini BTC USD ngiku 1 hour time frame ngifuna ukusebenzisa i1 hour time frame ne5 minutes ukuze nibone kahle ukuthi lento iyafana wena nje into idingayo ukunderstanda the external structure ne internal structure. So in this case ngenza i1 hour time frame yami kube yini yi external structure and then i5 minutes yami kuzoba yini yi internal structure. Ake sibhekeke, where is my last break of structure? Anginayo la, but ngine break of structure here, right? So ngizobeka uline wami la ngine break of structure. So le isiyangitshela ukuthi oh okay imove yami hamba kanjani, nginale low, nginale high nale low, bese ngiba nale pull back, bese ngiba nani, bese ngiba nale low. Uyayibona lonto leyo? So this is my lightning sign. Ngoba sengitholile my lightning sign, what do I do? Sengiyahamba ke manje ngiyakuphi? Ngiya ku smaller time frame sami ngiyobheka the last break of structure khona, ngibone ukuthi do I catch on the trend noma ngiyadlala nje or kumele ngilinde. Angithi niyabona lonto leyo? So kubalekile guys understand this sequence. So nansi low yami la ekhona yabo. Sharp. Thinge ku 5 minutes. Njengoba sengila ku 5 minutes wami angithi yabona ukuthi nakhona kunani kunama structures amaningi yabo. Kunama structures amaningi. But ke guys, the smaller the time frame, the faster they move and the higher the risk yokuthi ubone ini umsindo. The higher the risk ukuthi ubone ini umsindo. Alright, so nibonile lapha ku 1 hour time frame ukuthi nginale low and then nginale low yabo. So ngifuna ukubheka ini my last break of structure. My last break of structure in this one in these 5 minutes guys, okay? So sizothi ke iyiphi my last break of structure. So teyiphi, this is the one on the left. This is the one on the left ngokuya kwami le. Yabo? Why? La ngine break of structure, right? So kusho ukuthi nala ku 5 minutes nginani? Ngine lightning yami nginale move lena and then nginale move lena, right? Bese ngiba nale move le, this one. Okay. Enginikezele low. Ngoba imarket yabona iye phezulu khanibuya iza kule low. Alright? So yini yenzakele? Sibonile la ngihambile ngaze ngabreaka above this high. So okusho ukuthi i-momentum yami iye yashintsha, ibonisa ukuthi ngiyakuphi, ngizoya phezulu. Uyabona lonto leyo. And then ekuzeni kwami phezulu guys. Ekuzeni kwami phezulu. Mawubheka la, uyabona la ukuthi kune consolidation heavy kanjani. Yabo? Kunale consolidation very heavy. And uma uzoyibheka this consolidation guys, uma uzoyibheka la sinani sine fair value gap nakhona la kulabo 5 minutes la yabo. So uyayibona imarket ithe mayifika la yayise iya stopper, iyaqala iphelelwa yini amandla. Iqala yenzani ama lower high yayibona lonto leyo. Then kwaze kwafika ekuthenini izofika la kule low. So at this point in time njengoba sila kule low, nayi low yethu lesikuyona. Yabo? And njengoba sikule low lesikuphi, si right inside this demand area. This yabona la sithole khona the buy zone ne demand area yabo. So imarket yethu itrader khona lapha kule downtrend. So njengoba imarket yethu itrader kuyo le downtrend guys, siphakathi kwani? Siphakathi kwale high nale low. Okay, siphakathi kwale high nale low. So yonke lento eyenzeka la, it is internally. Below this low, we continue with the trend down. Uyabona lonto leyo. Above this high, so wenzenjani? We continue with our buying momentum. Easy like that. Yabona kulula ukuthola ini direction yemarket. So right now, we are inside the buy zone. So imarket eseyenzeni iyasinikeza nansi i-buy zone yayiconfirma la. Iconfirmile ibuyile izoyi-retesta. If singa break above this high, the internal high, le ela, si break above the internal high, then we can expect the market ukuthi izokwenza njani, izoshutha mhlambe ibuye ize la or ibuye somewhere la uma ngabe kunama stops bese iyajika iqhubeka netrend iyaphansi. Kunoma ikuphi guys, sizolawulwa imarket ukuthi yenzani. Thina senzani? Silandela imarket la iyakhona after sithole ini i-confirmation. Okay? Sharp guys.